Okay, so in this workshop, we're going to be going over a pen technique. You can easily use this technique to add shading to anything. Now, in your project, you probably need to show where the direction of light is coming from. You will be creating a home or a building of some sort. It depends on which way you're going to go with this. But hatching is a style of pen technique that you can actually add shading. Now, hatching is actually just lines, okay? You can create a variation of lines. You can have it be a light, where things are, kind of like spaced out, or you can make it really dark by overlapping it. Kind of like eyebrows, how they look like they're solid, but really it's a whole bunch of lines. Now, I'm not looking for you to go over like this. That's a different style, okay? But we're just doing little lines. Now, how would this look like if I was possibly, I don't know, doing a house? So I'm just gonna do a quick little house, make this look like it's going to a vanishing point. There we go. All right, there we go. So let's say I want my direction of like my sun to be in here. And by the way, remember, suns don't go in the corner. Okay, that's no. Definitely don't even do that. We want them to come out. We don't even actually need them to be in the actual picture too. But when you're actually shading, you can cross hatch just by doing this, okay? All I'm doing is I'm making this a little bit darker because I know the sun will probably be hitting somewhere around here. Definitely not here, so I can make this a little bit darker by adding lines to it. Now, you can definitely use other medias with this. Like if you wanted it to have colored pencils, that would go back to the finishing point. You could definitely do that as well. So this all would be dark as well. Now, since the sun's coming here, you're probably going to have the shadow over here. And you would do this the same thing. As I said, overlapping like this will make it dark, and as it fades out, you just want to kind of like, spread it out. This pen technique is very quick, all right? It doesn't have to be perfect when you're doing that. But remember, the more and more you do, the better they get, okay? So that's hatching with pen technique. Part of your workshop is to actually do a little bit of, practicing this type. There's all different sizes, by the way. In order to check that out, this pen has a standard size, but if you're looking for other ones, on the side of your pens, okay, a little hard to see, it will say 0.3, 0.5, or 0.7, okay, just to let you know. And you can most definitely use a, variation. 0.3, let's see, we got 0.5, trying to look for a 0.7, here we go. And you can definitely mix, certain ones too. I honestly think the thinner one looks good, but some people do it differently. Now, one thing before this workshop is done, I just want you to know that I'm not looking for you to color things in. That's not the goal, is to color it in. It is to have, the hatching on here, okay? Hatching will definitely give you that feeling, okay? And be careful, like right on here, it can get a little hairy on sometimes, okay? All right, well, enjoy.